Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how you can get Superhuman in Blox routes on Roblox super easily. Let's go. For this to work, of course, if you're new to the game, first you need to get a little mastery levels, and for that you need to beat up a lot of guys. After beating a lot of guys, you need to go to this hot and cold islands. Going to the hot and cold island is really important because without going there you can't do much about it. After going to the hot and cold islands, we will get some masters, and these masters are electric, kung fu, and dark step. We need to get all of those masteries to 300 so we can learn all these styles perfectly and get ready for what's about to come. After getting those to mastery level 300, you need to get to the Sabi and get Dragon Breath for 1500 fragments. And of course, you need to make it 300 as well, so you need to work a little, and yes, even though it's simple, it might take some time, so it's not hard, but it is a little job to do. After getting that to 300 as well, and if you have Electric, Kung Fu, Dark Step, and Dragon Breath all at 300 mastery at least, you can get to the Snow Mountains, and in the Snow Mountains, you will be able to talk with the Martial Arts Master, and he will give you the Superhuman style for 3 million money, so you will finally become superhuman like you always wanted to. So I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any other problems, you can always tell us down in the comment section. Have a great day, and goodbye.